So I'm going to start with Smoothie King. It's pretty funny. Smoothie King has used ChatGPT to generate a romance novel. And they even used AI to come up with the cover, because you see her fingers around this watermelon. She has way too many fingers. They were giving away this book. You had to sign up, whatever, and they gave away 300 copies. So they've already done that. So now they're selling it on Amazon. You can get the Kindle version for free, but if you want to buy it, it's like $20 for the hardcover. But it's a pretty interesting thing. It's about a watermelon smoothie, which I guess is what they're trying to promote. The narrative follows a romance between a woman named Millie and a man named Walter Malone, like watermelon, in a town called Simpleville. The book contains hidden codes for readers to decipher. The writing of the novel is characterized by repetitive sentence structures and expected effect of AI-generated text. That's funny. Smoothie King is capitalizing on their ongoing romance novel trend, largely driven by Gen Z. I didn't know that was a trend. I didn't know Gen Z kids were into romance novels. Interesting. It doesn't say how many pages. Does it say how many pages? Yeah, 154 pages. So substantial. So it'll give you something to do on a weekend. All right. So get out there and get yourself a Smoothie King book and get you a Watermelon Xtreme Smoothie. Extreme Watermelon Smoothie.